day for a meditation. It's a beautiful day to clear your head. Whatever you're trying to create in your world, remember, all meditation is, it's making you feel good, giving you motivation, giving you energy, and then you go out and take massive action from your positive mindset. It's 80% mindset, 20% action, but you still gotta take the action. So let's go through a quick meditation, a quick breezy, relaxing, sunny meditation. Focused on our health, our wealth, and our happiness. And let's begin focusing internally on our health, feeling true health feels like. We're the exact size, shape, weight, mindset we'd like to be, the right emotions we'd like to have. We're capturing this feeling internally like a white ball, a white orb emanating out from us and surrounding our entire body. Don't have to try too hard, nothing has to be forced, we just allow whatever we want to come to our lives. Feel really good and really relaxed. And if we're outdoors, we're getting in touch with nature, feeling the sun on our face. If we're indoors, we're feeling the comfortability of our surrounding environment. And now we're transitioning to our wealth. This white orb is now turning into a nice, beautiful green orb. And this wealth comes from active income, passive income, where actively we use our time to generate money through win-win situations. And we create passive income where we do initial work at first, but then the money keeps flowing in week after week, month after month, creating win-win situations. Because money can be the root of all happiness, of all joy, of all relaxation. Any field we enter, we can make money in as long as we create win-win situations and solve pain points. I'm feeling this green orb pulsating. It's getting bigger and bigger. I'm feeling all this wonderful energy, and this relaxing music in the background is soothing. It's awe-inspiring. Relaxing. And as we transition from health to wealth, and now we transition to happiness. Happiness, we get a beautiful, bright blue orb. Happiness means our friends and family relationships and our love interest relationships. Let's feel all the wonderful sensations of making this happen. Seeing the smiles on everyone's faces. Feeling the love emanating all around us. And let's pulse all three of these pillars of success, our health, our wealth, and our happiness, all in this one now moment. They're all pulsating, these beautiful orbs around us, cascading us with love, happiness, wealth, anything we want. Feeling the positive emotions, getting relaxed, feeling blessed, feeling motivated for success, our health, our wealth, and our happiness. Our health, our wealth, and our happiness. Our health, our wealth, our happiness. Now let's allow some more time for quiet reflection. Allow these soothing tones to relax you. Keep your eyes closed if you can't. Visualize, if you can, see beautiful imagery of everything you wish to achieve. Your health, your wealth, and your happiness. Thank you for joining us on this relaxing meditation. I hope you got a lot of value from it. We're maximizing our health, our wealth, and our happiness for true success. If you like this meditation, please like this video and share it with someone who you think needs it. Once you do that, comment below what you're manifesting and what you're so excited to be creating. I hope you have a beautiful day. Happy dreaming, everyone. subscribe to this channel for daily content that will make you feel good, motivate you for success. Talk to you soon.